How to fix TikTok not working or loading problem. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok, if it's not loading or if it's not working, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have the internet connection, then you might find the problems. So first make sure that you have internet connection and then make sure your TikTok is now down. So if it's down, then you might find some kind of problems. So make sure it's not down and you need to just press and hold on to that TikTok application and go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back, and the other thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to search for TikTok. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your TikTok, you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. Even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply uninstall the application that you have right now and then again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and after that log into your account and your problem might be fixed. But at last you need to just restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix TikTok not working or loading problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.